Imagine a landscape so severe that vertical walls of rock drop into a huge, open gap below. Joining these two distant cliffs seems almost impossible, yet this environment is the exact site chosen for an unbelievable engineering project. Long before any building crews arrive, teams must thoroughly study the surrounding environment. They carefully scan the rock surfaces, calculate exact distances, and mark the safest spots to place heavy foundations. This wild valley is where workers will attempt to construct the massive Huajiang Canyon Bridge over unbelievable depths. Great projects require absolute accuracy, because one small miscalculation up here could end in total disaster. Suspended far above the valley floor, every single component must be built directly in midair. To start this daring process, workers must first make the surrounding cliffs completely stable, as every pound of weight will eventually press into them. Deep inside the hard stone face, teams drill long channels and insert strong steel rods to bind loose rock together. These internal steel rods are designed to handle huge amounts of pulling force over time. Thick dust, flying debris, and fierce mountain gusts turn every task into a tough battle for the workers. Even though these early rock supports will be hidden from sight once everything is finished, they remain the actual heart of the whole setup. Every single phase that comes next relies heavily on the solid mountain wall to stay upright. What you see on the surface is just a fraction of the hidden support keeping the Huajiang Canyon Bridge anchored directly to the earth. Building a structure like this demands massive, immovable footings. With the raw cliff face now reinforced, construction crews turn their attention to crafting bases capable of holding incredible weight. They trim down uneven stone surfaces, leveling out flat areas directly on the cliffs. Massive concrete blocks filled with heavy metal bars are poured onto the prepared bedrock, locking into the reinforced anchors underneath. Every force generated by the giant bridge will eventually channel through these heavy bases into the deep rock. At this stage, the project finally leaves its mark on the land, a heavy, permanent starting point rising from the mountain. Rising high into the sky, these support towers are designed to reach hundreds of meters upward. Everything hanging across the valley relies entirely on the strength of these rising columns. From the concrete footings, thick columns of steel rebar begin to climb vertically into the open air. Liquid concrete is poured into wooden forms stage by stage, steadily growing into tall support pillars that will one day carry the heavy roadway far above. Piece by piece, the team repeats this climbing cycle, pushing the concrete towers higher into the open space where empty air used to be. Workers are constantly reaching upward into the sky, creating towers that will soon carry the huge span across the Huajiang Canyon. High above the valley floor, strong wind gusts, balance, and exact alignment become just as important as the materials themselves. The higher these main towers stretch, the more challenging and dangerous the environment becomes for the crews working on them. Self-elevating formwork systems carry the crew's platforms automatically upward after each section cures, allowing construction to climb safely without stopping. Working continuously day and night, teams feed steel and concrete into the rising structure. Hanging over the open valley, the unbelievable scale of these rising pillars becomes clear as they prepare to hold up the entire crossing. Once the twin towers reach their full height, workers can finally begin reaching across the deep space between the cliffs. Light guide wires are pulled across the massive canyon from one side to the other, followed by larger steel ropes dragged into position. These primary cables are securely anchored at the tops of the towers and pulled extremely tight. They form the high-altitude skeleton that will support the bridge deck over the empty valley floor below. This marks the very first piece of the Huajiang Canyon Bridge, hanging freely in midair, but the main work is only just getting started. Even though a visible connection now spans the sky, a giant opening still separates the two distant cliffs. As construction continues, closing this central gap turns out to be the most demanding task of the whole build. Sections are added one by one from both sides, steadily closing the distance. However, as the ends meet, every single measurement must be perfect to avoid twisting. Strong wind currents, metal tension, and straight lines must be controlled at all times, as even a tiny mistake can ruin the balance. Slowly but surely, the open gap shrinks, building intense focus toward the final connection. At long last, the centerpiece is hoisted high into position over the drop below. Hanging far above the valley, workers carefully steer the final steel segment between the two approaching ends. As the final joints align, the separate arms lock together into one continuous highway for the very first time. Strong bolts are torqued down, structural seams are welded tight, and high-tension cables take on the full load of the heavy steel road. What started as two isolated towers on separate cliffs has finally transformed into a single structure spanning the entire canyon. Now that the main span is connected, the focus shifts to building a durable roadway surface for future traffic. Special protective layers are applied to shield the steel, followed by smooth layers of compacted hot asphalt. Durable guardrails are installed along the sides, and metal expansion joints are fitted to allow the structure to safely expand or contract during temperature changes. The rough metal structure is rapidly turning into a real, usable highway designed for heavy travel. Every single safety feature is installed with extreme care to protect drivers high above the canyon floor. The physical construction of the Huajiang Canyon Bridge is complete, but every system must undergo strict testing before opening to the public. Bright streetlights line the roadway, steel cables receive protective coatings, and electronic sensors are placed throughout the frame to measure structural movement. Engineers double-check every bolt, nut, and seam to ensure nothing was missed during construction. When working at these extreme heights, every single detail matters for long-term safety. To guarantee safety, engineers push the structure under controlled weight tests before any public cars are allowed across. Fully loaded heavy trucks line up along the roadway to test how the structure holds up under maximum stress. Advanced sensors record how much the bridge bends, tracking real-time stability metrics. Experts review every single number carefully. Only after the structure meets every strict standard is the bridge officially cleared for real-world traffic. All the hard work has paid off, and the Huajiang Canyon Bridge is officially strong, secure, and fully operational. Where there was once a dangerous drop separating two mountain cliffs, there is now a smooth, continuous path connecting both sides. The Huajiang Canyon Bridge is fully open, fulfilling its purpose and connecting communities across the valley.